When it comes to choosing the right tools for your projects, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY enthusiast, the decision often boils down to reliability, performance, and value. Among the many brands on the market, Kobalt and Husky consistently stand out as popular choices for hand tools, power tools, and storage solutions. Both brands are backed by major retailers, Kobalt by Lowe's and Husky by Home Depot, and have built reputations for offering quality tools at competitive prices. But when it comes to picking the best brand for your needs, the debate between Kobalt and Husky becomes more nuanced. Each brand has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different types of users and project demands. Are you looking for cutting-edge power tools to tackle demanding tasks? Or do you need heavy-duty hand tools and portable storage solutions that can withstand tough job site conditions? In this comprehensive comparison, we'll break down everything you need to know about Kobalt versus Husky, from materials and durability to availability, mobility, product lines, and more, so you can make an informed choice that fits your toolkit perfectly. Let's dive in. Materials. Kobalt tools are crafted using high-quality materials such as steel alloys and durable polymers. Their cordless power tools often feature brushless motor technology, which enhances performance and longevity. The materials used in Kobalt's tools are designed to withstand moderate to heavy-duty tasks, making them suitable for both DIY projects and professional use. Additionally, their hand tools are coated with anti-corrosion finishes to extend their lifespan. Husky tools, on the other hand, are well regarded for their robust construction. Their hand tools are often made from chrome alloy steel, a material known for its strength and resistance to wear. Husky's toolboxes and storage systems stand out due to their all-welded steel construction and powder-coated finishes, which provide excellent protection against rust and damage. While both brands use durable materials, Husky's focus on heavy-duty construction gives it an edge in terms of long-term reliability. Quality. Kobalt tools are known for offering solid quality at a competitive price point. Their XTR line of power tools is particularly praised for its professional-grade performance, featuring advanced technology like brushless motors and extended battery life. However, some users have reported inconsistencies in quality with certain larger tools or accessories. For example, while Kobalt's drills and impact drivers perform exceptionally well, other products like oscillating sanders may fall short in durability. Husky excels in the quality of its hand tools and storage solutions. Their wrenches, ratchets, and sockets are highly durable and designed to handle tough conditions without breaking or wearing down easily. However, Husky's power tool offerings are limited compared to Kobalt's lineup. While Husky tools generally maintain a reputation for reliability, they are better suited for homeowners or light professional use rather than heavy-duty industrial applications. Durability. Durability is a critical factor when choosing tools, especially for professionals who rely on them daily. Kobalt tools are built to handle moderate to heavy workloads, with the XTR line designed specifically for demanding tasks. Their cordless power tools feature sturdy construction and advanced cooling systems to prevent overheating during extended use. However, some users have noted that certain products may not hold up as well under extreme stress or prolonged usage. Husky stands out in terms of durability for its hand tools and storage systems. Their chrome alloy steel hand tools are resistant to rust and wear, making them ideal for long-term use in harsh environments. Additionally, Husky's tool chests and modular storage systems are designed to withstand heavy loads and rough handling. While their power tool offerings may not be as robust as Kobalt's, Husky's focus on durability in other categories makes it a reliable choice for users seeking long-lasting equipment. Availability. Kobalt is exclusively sold at Lowe's stores and through Lowe's online platform. This exclusivity ensures consistent support from the retailer, but limits its availability to regions where Lowe's operates. For users outside these regions, acquiring Kobalt tools may require additional effort or shipping costs. Husky is exclusively available at Home Depot stores and through Home Depot's website. Home Depot has a larger presence across North America compared to Lowe's, making Husky tools more accessible to a broader audience. This widespread availability gives Husky an advantage over Kobalt in terms of convenience for customers. Mobility. Kobalt offers portable power tools that are lightweight and easy to carry around job sites or home projects. Their cordless systems feature compact designs that enhance mobility without sacrificing performance. However, some users find that the batteries used in Kobalt's cordless tools can feel bulky on certain models. Husky takes mobility to the next level with its innovative storage solutions. Their built-out modular toolboxes come equipped with telescoping handles, large wheels, and stackable designs that make transporting tools effortless. These features make Husky an excellent choice for professionals who need portable storage systems that can handle tough job site conditions. User compatibility. Kobalt tools are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Features like anti-kickback technology in saws, LED work lights on drills, and ergonomic grips make Kobalt tools comfortable and safe to use even during long projects. The brand caters to both casual users looking for affordable options and professionals seeking reliable mid-range tools. Husky also prioritizes user comfort with ergonomic handles on its hand tools that reduce fatigue during extended use. Their storage solutions are thoughtfully designed to maximize organization and efficiency on job sites or in workshops. While Husky's power tool offerings may not be as extensive as Kobalt's, their hand tools and storage systems are highly compatible with the needs of homeowners and light professionals. Product line comparison. Power tools. Kobalt has a strong lineup of power tools powered by their 24-volt brushless motor platform. The XTR line is particularly noteworthy for delivering professional-grade performance at an affordable price point. From drills and impact drivers to circular saws and angle grinders, Kobalt offers a wide range of options that cater to various needs. Husky does not focus heavily on power tools. Instead, it excels in hand tools and storage solutions. While they offer some basic power tool options under their brand name at Home Depot stores, these products do not compete directly with Kobalt's advanced cordless systems. Hand tools. Kobalt hand tools are reliable but may not be as robust as premium brands like Snap-on or Milwaukee. They perform well for general tasks, but may fall short under extreme stress or heavy-duty applications. Husky dominates this category with its chrome alloy steel hand tools that come with a lifetime warranty. These products are built to last and can handle demanding tasks without breaking or wearing out easily. Storage solutions. Kobalt offers decent storage options like tool chests and organizers, but does not match the innovation seen in Husky's build-out system. Husky leads the way in this category with modular toolboxes featuring IP65 weather seals, dust-proof, water-resistant, rugged wheels for mobility, and stackable designs that allow users to customize their storage setup according to their needs. Battery technology. Kobalt uses an advanced 24-volt battery platform that provides longer runtimes compared to standard 18-volt systems used by many competitors. Their batteries also feature fast charging capabilities. Husky does not have a dedicated battery platform since they focus more on non-powered hand tools rather than cordless power tool systems. Warranty. Kobalt offers a 5-year limited warranty on most of its power tools and a 3-year warranty on batteries. While this warranty is competitive within the industry, some customers have reported challenges when dealing with Lowe's customer service regarding replacements or repairs. Husky provides a lifetime warranty on most of its hand tools, a significant advantage over many competitors. Replacing defective Husky products is straightforward through Home Depot stores, adding considerable value to their offerings. Price. Both brands target the mid-range market segment. Kobalt provides excellent value for money with its XTR line delivering pro-level features at an affordable price. Husky is slightly more budget-friendly overall, but focuses more on hand tools rather than advanced power tool systems like Kobalt. Strengths. Kobalt. Excellent cordless power tool lineup with advanced features, innovative 24-volt battery technology, affordable professional-grade options in the XTR line. Husky. Superior quality in hand tools, exceptional storage solutions with modular designs, lifetime warranty on most products adds significant value. Weaknesses. Kobalt. Limited availability outside Lowe's stores, mixed reviews on customer service. Some larger tools may lack durability under extreme conditions. Husky. Limited focus on power tools compared to competitors. Occasional issues with rust or wear under heavy use. So which one should you choose? When deciding between Kobalt and Husky as your go-to tool brand, your choice will largely depend on your specific needs. If you're looking for versatile power tools, Kobalt is the clear winner due to its strong lineup of cordless options powered by advanced battery technology. If you prioritize durable hand tools or need innovative storage solutions, Husky is the better choice thanks to its robust construction materials, modular designs, and lifetime warranties. Ultimately, both brands offer excellent value within their respective niches. Kobalt caters more toward those seeking reliable power tool systems at an affordable price point, while Husky specializes in providing durable hand tools and exceptional organizational solutions for homeowners or light professionals alike.